Hey everybody, this is Brian, head tutor from ScoreBeyond, coming at you from ScoreBeyond headquarters in sunny Menlo Park, California. Let's tackle this SAT writing question. So this question, as you can see, isn't really telling us to do anything other than consider these answer choices in light of some highlighted text from the passage. So let's go ahead and take a look at that passage. Friendly Bay Area Blue Jay reminds us we should consider the context in which the highlighted portion appears. So the highlighted portion of this passage appears later in the sentence when the sentence starts listing out different things like educational instruction, workforce development, human and social services, and supports that are linked to labor market trends, yada, yada, yada. So we can see that the list ends there with this new dependent clause signified by the that. So looking at the highlighted part in question, we know that we have a list of nouns, instruction, development. We need to continue that list of nouns. So as the highlighted part continues, we can see that we are talking about services and supports. Those are two nouns that could function in this list of nouns. We also see that we have adjectives describing the nouns: educational instruction, workforce development, human and social services, and supports. So the highlighted part is parallel in listing out these final nouns with adjectives describing them. We also see that the list ends with a comma and an and, signifying the last parts of the list. So far, so good. It might sound weird to say, and human and social services and supports that are linked. However, when we break down the nouns and adjectives, we can see that the list is actually continuing in the same way. So let's go to the answer choices. If you look at the answer choices, you can see that they kind of messed up the consistency and parallelism of this list. B interrupts the list with a semicolon, and there's no full sentence on the other side of that semicolon, which would be necessary for a semicolon to even work properly in the sentence, so B is gone. C interrupts the human and social, which were two adjectives describing the services and the supports, so we can get rid of C. D similarly interrupts the human and social with a comma, and again they should be connected with just an and to let us know that these adjectives are describing the services and the supports. So yeah, the sentence was actually okay. Even if it seemed a little lengthy at first, it was really just an extended part of the list with two things that were connected to each other, related to each other with an and then some adjectives describing those things, the services and supports. So there you go. There's the SAT writing question of the day from ScoreBeyond. If you'd like to answer more writing questions like this one, check out our SAT Up app, which has over 1,000 writing questions for the new SAT. If you'd like to do better on writing questions like this one on the SAT, tap the tutoring button at the bottom of the page. If you're reading in the blog, go to the bottom of the page and click on the tutoring banner. Our tutors can help you understand how to use parts of speech in sentences, but also how the SAT tests parts of speech, like this question. You'll be a parts of speech master, and you'll boost your score on the SAT writing section. All right, see you next time.